Carroll Stream, Illinois, a place of passion, dedication, and loyalty, all of which make up the characteristics of those working at Norton. Average tenure stands at 14 years, a sign of strong commitment in today's fast-paced and ever-changing world. There's something special here in Carroll Stream. Just ask Juanita, who has made it her home of employment for over 6 decades, the longest tenure in all of St. Gobain worldwide. Maybe it's the friendships that blossom, or the laughs that are shared over the years, but there's no denying that Carroll Stream is special. From the initial request to make customer-specific sticks, belts, or wheels, we're not afraid to go the extra mile to ensure we meet customer needs. Because we know our customers in the glass industry master fine and precise materials, and we want to handle their needs with similar care. Dedication and pride work hand in hand here. Whether you need a specialized made-to-order grinding wheel or have an older CBN wheel refurbished, we've got you covered. Our services are as diverse as the hands crafting each product. Stop by and say hello in any language. Our doors are always open. We don't treat each other as family. We are family. That's Carroll Stream. That's Norton. Reshaping your world one day at a time.